My name is Leslie Brandt, and I'm a climate change specialist with the U.S. Forest Service and the Northern Institute of Applied Climate Science. A few years ago, Ducks Unlimited approached me about putting together a workshop to integrate climate change considerations into bottomland forest management. The partnership between Ducks Unlimited, the Fish and Wildlife Service, and the Forest Service is really unique in that there are some common goals and objectives across these organizations to restore these ecosystems. They're being done in a climate-informed manner in several ways.
Because we're doing a lot of restoration of forested areas, we're thinking a lot more about the species that we're using. And we're trying to focus on species that are more likely to do better. And we also have been trying to get a more broad diversity of species and genotypes from different areas, just to hedge our bets that we're going to get better survival over time.
What you'll see on our restoration sites is that we're starting to choose species that we're going to try here and see how they do. And we know that there's some species that their range is really close to the refuge. Maybe they weren't historically found right here on Patoka River National Wildlife Refuge, but they were found maybe a few counties south of here. And we've started to add a few of those to this site in particular.
Really what we're looking at is the ability to manage flooding later, to manage flooding every other year or in different years, and really try to provide that kind of historic diversity in hydrology and flooding timing to really help these birds stay over the long term in the winter and again in spring for birds adding nutrients on as they head north to go to our breeding grounds.
Ultimately, from a conservation standpoint, we're looking at a landscape level plan for all the conservation work that we're hopefully doing in the Midwest, and we're working with our partners. And this is going to be one part of that corridor, one part of that hub of biodiversity, and we hope that it's the most diverse piece of bottomland hardwood forest that we can produce here through our restoration efforts.